Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series on openDSME. Today we will show you how to download and install OMNeT++ 5 on Linux. So let's get started by downloading OMNeT++ 5 from the official webpage. By the way, all URLs used in this video will be posted in the video description below. Head to download and then select the appropriate version for your operating system. In this case we are going to select the source code for Linux and compile it later ourselves. Now we're just going to save the file and wait for the download to complete. But don't worry, I will speed up the video a little. The next steps will now be to extract the source code, build it, and then install our OMNeT++ binaries. So let's get to that. I will now open a terminal window and start the extraction process. Like the URLs, all commands entered will also be available in the video description below. So let's use tar to extract our OMNeT source code archive. Okay, now that's done. You can see we've got a folder called OMNeT++ 5 now here. Let's go into that. And run the configuration script. And as you can see, since we've got fresh systems, none of the required packages are installed. So I'm going to install all required prerequisites. That's a whole bunch of packets, and that will take some time, so we'll speed up the video again. Let's try running the configuration script again now. Okay, as you can see we get a warning because OMNeT++ is not yet in our path variable. So to change that, open your home folder with any program you want. Make sure you can see hidden files, like this, and then edit your bashrc file. And to add OMNeT to our path, we just copy and paste the command that the configure script already suggests to us. Now make the command line read our bashrc file again. And then rerun the configuration just to be sure. Okay, great. Now that everything works, we can start the building process. For that, just type make, and if you've got more than one CPU core, make sure you specify the correct amount so the building goes a bit faster. And I will just jump to the end this time. Okay, and now that the build is finished, you can just type the command omnetpp to start the IDE. We're going to call our workspace openDSME workspace. And now you can head to the workbench, and you don't have to install the iNet framework because we will use our own fork of that anyway. Now you're done. OMNeT++ is installed on your computer. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2 where we will show you how to install and configure openDSME.